Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yakshit Sehwag. Today we are going to be unboxing this new Samsung Galaxy M31 mobile. So let's unbox. So this is the box. I think we need a scissors. It is sealed back, so let's open it. Now it's gonna open. I'll show you later. This is the phone. Let me open the cover. Let me power on it. Samsung Galaxy M31. So let it start. Then I will show you it. This is the charging cable. You have to put this in there, and it comes with and it comes with an plugging in adapter, charging adapter. So the phone is started. Now let me sign into it and thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe and like my channel for more videos and share. Bye.